Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you amazing recipe that will help in removing dark spot, acne spots, pimple spot, mosquito bite spot, any dark spot, or even whiteheads and black heads. So stay tuned to the end to know these amazing recipes. It is recipes that will work for you without wasting much money, because you can easily find them in your kitchen. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel because you are missing a lot. I'll be sharing beauty tips, DIYs, a lot. So kindly subscribe, comment, like this video, and share to your friend or friend and friends. Stay tuned. Wow, the first ingredient that will help to remove dark spots, acne spot, pimples, and even will leave your skin glowing is a tomato. This is a very great fruit that will help your skin with the either skin condition that you're having. This one will help you. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you how you use it on your skin. So I normally use a tomato like this and sprinkle some sugar granules around it. Sugar granules will help to exfoliate, and it's a very mild exfoliator that will leave your skin smooth and help to fade that dark spot, either caused by any of those I've mentioned. So after that, we are going to wash off your skin or even cleanse your skin. So as for me, I've just washed my skin, and I'm going to apply these tomato sugar granules direct to my skin, just like this. Just like that. You just be gentle to your skin so that the sugar granules might damage your skin if you be too rough. Tomato contains acid that will help. If you use regularly, this method is going to help your skin and remove that dark spot in your skin. Tomato has citric acid, and as you know, citric acid is very good for the skin. So I'm just going to scrub like that for 15 minutes, or even until you feel your skin is good to go. Just scrub like that. You can even scrub your neck. Even without the dark spot, you can even use this as a scrubber, as a DIY scrubber that you can use at home just to make your skin glow. So after that, I'm going to leave that tomato sugar scrub on my skin for 10 minutes. Then you can use warm water and wash off, and that will be great for you. Stay tuned so you can know the next recipe. Maybe it's the one that will work for you. Stay tuned. Boom. So the other ingredient, guys, that I'll be using is this one. This is a lemon. A lemon contains citric acid that will aid in oxidizing and removing dark spot in your skin. It will also brighten you up very well. If you want to be light a little bit, or just to have that natural fairness, this is the fruit to use regularly. But if you're scrubbing, you can use it twice a week, just twice a week. If you're using it you're just applying it direct to your skin, you can use it as many times as you want. And as for those who have sensitive skin, for lemon, it can be very reactive to your skin. So the best way to do this is just dilute the lemon juice, then use it. Don't use it when it's concentrated. It can really irritate your skin. So the best way is to dilute it. As for me, because my skin is good with lemon, I'm going to use the lemon, and again I'm going to use the sugar granules. Sugar granules are very mild and they are very good exfoliator. So you can also use this as a scrub. So I will just use this direct to my skin and you'll see how it works. So because I've just scrubbed it on my face, I cannot scrub it again. I'll just show you direct on my skin on the palm of the hand. So you just scrub with it like this. Scrub it like this. Even for those who claim that they have dark knuckles, you can also use lemon. Like that. After that, leave that on your skin for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then you can wash off and it will leave your skin looking pretty well. So after 15 minutes, I'll show you my hand how it will be looking like. Okay. So after 15 minutes, I've washed off. Look at my hands. Look with the other one. See, this one is a bit darker than this, if you can see. Yes, that's what I mean. Just look the difference. They have a slight difference. Meaning what? If you use it regularly, it will really help your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel for more beauty tips and DIYs that you can easily find them in your kitchen at an affordable price. So please share, comment, like. Until you meet again, ciao.